Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to do a box break of Season 1 Obi-Wan Kenobi 2023 Star Wars. So let's get into this. I've already done one of these, kind of slowly going through a case. I got directly from Topps. So the first box was not bad. Kind of good way to see how things work. But I believe, from what I remember, 6 packs should be one auto and then multiple parallels. Sorry about that. All right, so we'll get started right here with pack 1. All right, I'm not going to go through all the base, but base. There's blue. Obi-Wan stands ready. Heroes insert. These are the poster art inserts. Base. So 8 cards per pack. It's actually 7 packs in here. Sorry, I think I said 6. So base, more base, another blue. Third sister, heroes insert. Then we have I haven't seen this, Darth Vader in the Inquisitorus. Yeah, I think it's the first one I've seen this. I don't know if that's the red parallel. I have to look that up after. Base, another blue. Hidden Jedi. Heroes. All right, then we have an orange Heroes. So this, I believe, is numbered. Yep, this is numbered to 50. Tika, Creatures and Aliens. Base and base. All right, so I'm just gonna top load that quickly. Probably going to be the only numbered parallel we'd see in the box, unless the auto is short printed. Then we get a variation. All right, so we have base, blue, Freck, heroes. Oh, that's a cool poster art. Haven't seen that one before. Obi-Wan. And base. Okay. All right, we haven't seen the auto yet, but that should be coming up soon. Sorry, I just want to get that out of there. Base. First 3 usually base. Oh, nice purple. Freck. Don't think it's numbered. Nope. Heroes. Concept art. It's another insert set. Base. All right, so on average, we're seeing 2 colored cards per, or 1 to 2 color cards, I should say, automatically. Usually get a blue in every pack, and then maybe something else. So Vader base, Leia base, and we have another Obi-Wan. Sorry about the noise. Obi-Wan blue, Heroes, Princess Leia, and there we go, autograph. Berulars. That's Bonnie Pierce. Okay. I mean, for the price, these cards are pretty nice. Happy with them so far. I've seen some good breaks, but today for $60 a box, and you're gonna get an automatic autograph and a guaranteed auto, and you're gonna get a bunch of inserts and other things you can collect. not bad at all. Droids insert. 1 Jack. Base. Okay. All right, one more pack. Base blue, Leia. Heroes, Talu. Creatures and Aliens, Suibata. And then a couple more base. Finally, that one. All right, so that does it for our 1 box of 2023 Season 1 Obi-Wan Kenobi. The 2, let's call them hits, are right here. We have the Lars autograph and the Haja Astray orange number /50 of the Heroes insert. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be doing more of these in the near future. And if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.